Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a simple pink eyeshadow look using the Morphe 35V palette. I've already primed my eyelids with eyeshadow primer and I'm going to start by taking the shade Risque as my transition. I'm also going to take that Risque shade and pack that into the outer corner and inner corner because I'm going to be doing a halo eye. I will build that up with another layer and I'll be back. To deepen this up a little bit more, I'm going to be taking the shade Triest. I'm not sure exactly how you say that, but that is what I'm guessing it is. Next, I'm just going to take the same brush I used at the beginning and just blend a little bit. Next, I'm going to take the shade Lust on my finger and put that in the middle of the lid for the halo-like effect. I'm going to add some more of Triest on the outer corner and inner corner. So I cleaned up under my eyes and I'm going to take the shade Triest on the lower lash line. Lastly, for eyeshadow, I'm going to take the shade Knockout for the inner corner. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. I will apply the lower lash line mascara off camera and be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I really like how this turned out. It's not exactly what I was picturing in my mind, but I do think it looks pretty good. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of other eyeshadow tutorials, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye!